Black ceramic bezel with minute scale. 38-hour power reserve function. Self-winding automatic movement. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Water resistant depth is 500 meters. Top 17. Mechanical altimeter feature measured in feet. Self-winding automatic movement. Brushed stainless steel case and bracelet. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal function. Water resistant depth is 100 meters. Top 16. Black dial, black ceramic bezel. Chronograph feature. Polished with brushed titanium case. Water resistant depth is 1000 meters. Screwed on titanium crown. Top 15. The grey tag recalls the color of astronomy case. Very understated and great value for money. More beautiful in person. Top 14. Self-winding automatic watch. Features of 40mm stainless steel case with a bronze bezel. Functions include hours, minutes and seconds. This watch comes with the original box and papers. Top 13. This caliber normally has 3 sub-dials. Dial window material type sapphire domed and coated double-sided. Display type analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material titanium case diameter 44.7 millimeters. Band material titanium, band color silver. Dial color skeleton dial, bezel material titanium. Top 12. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement, water resistant depth is 300 meters. Unidirectional rotating coin is bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Top 11. Green dial enhanced by luminous bronzy hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement watch. Water resistance depth is 100 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel function. Top 10. Green dial with index hour markers. Green ceramic bezel with minute scale, stainless steel case and bracelet. Self-winding automatic movement. Water resistance is 300 meters. Top 9. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature 38-hour power reserve. Top 8. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone hands. Automatic movement. Water resistance is 500 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel function. Top 7. Green dial enhanced by luminous bronzy cathedral style hands. Bronze case with a bronze leather band. Water resistant depth is 50 meters. Fixed bezel. Top 6. Brushed stainless steel case with black dial. Black rubber strap. Swiss automatic movement case, diameter 44 millimeters. Water resistant to 100 meters. Top 5. Dial window material tab, anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab, analog. Clasp tab, buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter 40 millimeters. Band material, leather. Top 4. Dial window material tab, anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab, analog, clasp, buckle. Case material, yellow gold. Case diameter 43.5 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band color, blue. Dial color, radiant blue. Bezel material, ceramic. Bezel function, rotating bezel, calendar date. Top 3. Dial window material tab, sapphire crystal. Display tab, analog, clasp tab, buckle. Case material, bronze. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width 21 millimeters. Top 2. Swiss made blue dial, index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature, 38-hour power is off. Self-winding automatic movement. Water resistance depth is 300 meters. Top 1. Black ceramic unidirectional rotating bezel with white minute scale. Black dial, silver tone, luminous hand and indications. Screwed on crown, Swiss automatic movement function. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment in a comment section.